Now, at 4 months old, they must hone their essential survival skills. They only have 2 months of summer left. Bears have the largest brain of any land mammal relative to their size. It gives them the intelligence required to be quick to adapt and to pick up tips from other bears. As a new mom with 2 hungry cubs, Fern's brain is working overtime. Once again, the experienced mom from the Salmon River catches her eye. Blondie. Maybe she's onto something down here. Blondie follows her super sensitive nose and sets to work.